I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
Watch this video to learn how to edit your bills to keep accurate and up-to-date records in Xero. You can edit bills in any status, including draft, awaiting payment, and paid. Click Purchases, then select Bills. To find the bill you need to edit, either click the relevant tab or use the search field if you know details, such as the contact, amount, or reference. We'll search for PC Complete. Once you've found the bill, click the View Bill icon to open it. Xero splits the screen, so you can quickly edit the bill in the same screen. For draft bills, click any field to change the details, such as the dates, description, unit price, or account to categorize the expense. Once you've made the changes, click Approve and Next to finalize the bill. Now, let's find and open an approved bill that's awaiting payment. Click Edit. Update any details as needed. For example, we'll add more details to the description to make it easier to see what the costs were for. We'll also select the North tracking option to assign the cost to the correct region. Then, click Save to confirm the changes. To edit a paid bill, click Edit. Xero warns you that you can only edit some fields when a bill has been paid, for example, the description, due date, and account fields. If you only need to edit the available fields, update the details, then click Save to confirm the changes. However, if you need to update other bill details, you'll first need to remove the payment or delete any credit note allocations. Click the Payment link at the bottom of the bill. Then click Options. Choose Remove and Redo from the drop-down. Update the bill details as needed, then click Update. Once you've made the changes, remember to add the payment to the bill again, so it has a paid status as it did before you edited it. Now you know how to edit draft, awaiting payment, and paid bills to keep your financial data accurate and up to date in Xero.